Hi everybody, welcome back to Blue Diamond Reiners. It's your host Graham Allwood speaking. This video I'm going to talk about the infinite ways that you can use a side pull hackamore. When you guys got time, if you could subscribe and like, maybe even share out, that would be fantastic, thanks. And if you want to guys leave a comment below, by all means go right ahead. The video is going to give you a chance to see a good 15 different ways that I can introduce to you as to how this hackamore will work for you, which will enable you to get better skills and give you better communication with your animal, improve your riding. So let's go take a look at them and see what you guys all got to think. When we pull to the right, the horse goes to the right. 10 side pull. When we pull to the side, we go to the left. So the horse follows left. That's the basic principle behind a side pull. We're on a more mature horse now. It still works the same, where you just pull to the side and she'll go to the side, and then we pull to the right and she'll go to the right. We're going to pull the horse around to the left and she will bend, and we pull to the right and she will flex to the right. Here with lateral flexion, we're going to be able to pull her and bring her all the way. I can just keep grabbing her all the way to the left and bring her around and all the way to the right. Whoa, and then back up. So you pull equally on both sides. We are backing the horse up, 2 hands between the reins and the legs. Whoa. Back up. Come on. Oh. When you're moving the horse forward, that you keep the stride. You have to keep driving the horse forward with your legs, so that way there's a full connection from the hocks all the way through the forehand. Outside rein, outside leg, and then just push them over. Horses, you can still neck rein them. Outside rein, outside leg. Now you just have to watch that they don't bulge when you leg yield them. So I'm pushing her with my left leg. A leg yield, left leg on, right rein off, and here's the right yield. I'll just hold them slightly bent and then move them away off your leg. Around the frame, inside leg to outside hand. There's your leg yield right here, and then all I do is I close the outside rein, outside leg on her, and then she comes around on that inside leg. To go to the right, right leg, push to the outside rein, outside leg, and they come around to the right. They can do this even one-handed. In a hackamore, I'm just going to pick her up just a little bit here. And one more to the right. There we go, good girl. Good girl. At the trot, just tell her to spin. Come on, kid. Come on, kid. Walk and turn. Good girl. And then we'll go to the left. Show some lateral work at the trot. Half pass here. So here's some lateral work to the right side here. Roll. 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 And then you just keep it straight. Okay. Trot. And keep the horse on a circle, but that's it when you can. So here you can even take your pony out on a large circle and run in between the reins one-handed, no problem at all. That frame, so he'll do what she's just doing there. This process takes quite a while. Well, you don't want them learning how to go on the forehand either. As you can see, you can enhance the side pull with a martingale. You want to set the martingale up so it has about a 1-inch pull head start before the reins make contact with the rings. And that way you're just making the horse connect into the noseband with its movement and not trying to draw it behind. If you want to pull behind and you're looking for a deeper approach,
Then you got to gather up with your legs a little bit more and pull. Come on. And then just push her into it. You got to use your legs to push the horse forward into the depth of the bend, okay, while they're lifting. Now there she's just trotting through. So they've got to lift up so they don't go flat. Okay, so this is just one particular choice. You guys can use training forks with this. You guys can use draw reins as well. Also a gog for the English guys, and also a shambone as well, okay? The point behind using this equipment is to be able to make sure that the horse flows into the bit, or the nose band in this case, so the whole body connects from the hocks all the way through the forehand right into the front of the frame in this case, all right? Otherwise, what will happen is you're going to shorten the stride and the horse is going to get behind, and it might even come off the bit as well because there's no forward flow. Okay, you guys, so the whole idea behind using a piece of equipment like this side pull is that you guys are looking for a slightly softer approach, maybe a bitless approach to your riding. This is a great way to start for any situation. Once you've got the horse somewhat performing reasonably well and understanding what their job is, you can then upgrade into a snaffle bit, basically going through the whole procedure again of what I've shown you on this video. At that point, you can even move up into whatever preferred bit that the horse likes. So it's not always what we want, it's what the horse needs. And then you kind of, at that point, have a horse that's got some pretty good education in it. Okay, I'd like to thank you guys once again for tuning in on this channel, and we'll catch you around the next time. We'll see you on the trail. See you in the next video. Ciao.